My name's Alan Watson. I'm 74 and I live in the UK. This is video number 118. So thanks again to everybody who viewed my previous videos on YouTube. AJ Watson 7091. Some of you will have experienced the office Christmas party. I've called this one Sounds of Passion. The party's getting heated, people are having fun, those with parental duties. A long time gone, too many Christmas classics you can't ignore. A chorus of voices chanting more, more, more. A Christmas tree standing like a beacon of hope. A couple under the mistletoe having a grope. Girls on the dance floor and girls drinking wine. Boys waiting patiently, just waiting for a sign. Giving and taking behind closed doors, the heat of passion you can't ignore. Giving and taking behind closed doors, the heat of passion you can't ignore. Some people eating and some pouring drinks, those who have had too many hanging over sinks, people dancing and people sitting on chairs, people on a promise, heading up the stairs. Pledges and promises and a little bit more. Persuasive voices you can never ignore. Emotional overload teasing her senses. Alcohol and lust lowering her defences. Giving and taking behind closed doors. The heat of passion you can't ignore. Giving and taking behind closed doors. The heat of passion you can't ignore. Heavy breathing and moans and groans. A running commentary on mobile phones, flirtatious gestures over tables and desks, hickeys and love bites blossoming on necks, echoes of disappointment when it finally ends, some with memories, some with new friends, most with a clear conscience, some not sure, some with a cough, and some needing a cure. Thanks for your time and good health.